Hello my viewers, Joanna here. Welcome to Joanna Health Official, and guess what I have for you today? Today we are having these beautiful two recipes of preparing popcorn. Popcorn actually they are very good in fibers, they're high in fibers, they have low calories, packed with antioxidants, support heart health and so many more. It is very good snack for those who are always on weight loss journey, who are all those ones who want to lose weight, and those ones who on maybe hypertension medication and all of that. So this one, it is very good, and those who have cholesterol, I think it will be good to go. Other than getting something very sugary and all of that, this popcorn will work like magic. Today we are preparing our popcorn in a very beautiful fryer. I don't know from your side where you prepare it from, but you can prepare it as well in your saucepan. Nothing to worry, it will still be the same. I prepare my popcorn with butter like you're seeing in the video, but it depends on your choice. You can use vegetable oil or something, and it will be good to go. See my popcorn in my fryer. I can't wait. Yes. And our popcorn are ready. Our popcorns are ready, and you can serve to your beautiful people, to your beautiful loved ones. Maybe you have friends who came to visit you, you will be good to go. Serve them this beautiful snack. Yes, you have friends, you have babies, you have family, you want to watch movie, please, you will be good to go. Yes. And part 1 is ready, and we are proceeding with part 2 of our cinematic popcorn that will make you save your money and never envy someone in the cinematic hall enjoying this beautiful recipe. You can do it in home, and it is so friendly, very cheap as well.